So, excuse me, restarting your computer, it kind of does a refresh. I know being in the tech world, some of you guys know if you're having problems, I'm a Windows person, I'm a Mac hater. So, put in the comments if you're a Windows person too. If you're a Mac hater, don't put in the comments because I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear your Macness.
Put the Mac down, put the Mac
Yeah,
down.
put the Mac down. But restarting your computer, it gives it a refresh. And like I was getting ready to say, all your tech people know if anything starts to go wrong with your computer, your mouse is not working, your webcam is just black, but you can hear yourself and everybody can hear you, just restart. Restart fixes 70% of your issues. And if you have something else serious going on, that's that other 30%. So restart your computer. Man.
Before you move on, I would like to
Yes.
add to also clear your cache. If the restart doesn't help, maybe another 5%